And in this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am going to be talking to you about the Raspberry Pi development kit for Compute Module 5. Engineers, developers, and friends, welcome to another episode of DevKit Weekly. I am Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief and your host. Here on this very special episode of DevKit Weekly, we are here in the Dev Zone at Embedded World 2025 in our embedded computing design booth. Here in the Dev Zone, we are featuring some of our favorite development kits, boards, and products in the entire embedded industry. And in this episode of DevKit Weekly, I am going to be talking to you about the Raspberry Pi development kit for Compute Module 5. This is a truly exciting drop from Raspberry Pi, and you can find all the details down in the description. But the thing you need to know is that Module 5 is a comprehensive kit that includes a Compute Module 5 and all the essential accessories to kickstart your next Raspberry Pi product design, and I hope you check it out. While you're at it, make sure you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our shows. Make sure you visit us on LinkedIn and like us there and follow us there for all of our social media interactivity. Make sure you check out embeddedcomputing.com for all the news that you need in the embedded space. Thank you so much for watching this special episode of DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, your editor-in-chief and your host, and you are marvelous. We'll catch you next time.